I'm Andy Hamilton. I'm semi-retired now. I was a builder when I was younger, and that got me into looking at low energy solutions for housing. I then went on to join Salford University, and I've done some research into sustainability. Since I left the university, I've now been working with local groups such as the Carbon Co-op in terms of how to achieve low energy housing. The house I bought in 1977 was a derelict 1750 farm cottage. It became apparent to me that to make the building energy efficient, I had to address the particular energy losses. Really, from when I got the house in 1977, if there was an opportunity to put any insulation materials in, I would. So when I was sorting out the damp problem around the back of the house, where the floor is below ground level, I put in 150 millimetres of polystyrene sheeting. The latest installation I've put in over the last couple of years is hemp lime in the cellar. It had the effect of smoothing out the difference in humidity, and it does seem to be quite effective in terms of making the cellar warmer. I think all the insulation I've put in to the main house has actually paid for itself. Not just in heating bills, but also in the comfort of the house. The heat pump, what it does, is effectively a refrigerator in reverse. Instead of putting cold air into your refrigerator, you're taking warm air into the house. And it's quite a clever device in that it's actually taking air and just upping the amount of heat in it. If you've got a heat pump like mine, the air comes in at say 10 degrees or whatever, and you're raising the temperature of this air and then using it to heat the water that flows around the heating system in the house. I can run the system at 35 degrees for heat of water in the radiators and the floor. So there's only a gap of 25 degrees if the air temperature is 10 degrees. And so it doesn't take all that much energy to put that extra 25 degrees in. My 5 kilowatt heat pump is very rarely taking more than 1 kilowatt input. It might be as much as 1.5 kilowatts. And really that's it for the heating for my house. So that work on insulation, on increasing the solar gain to the house through the conservatory, and through various methods of energy production to heat the house, have combined to make it a very low energy house with costs of about £300 a year for energy, and also to be very comfortable. It's not just a matter of recommending retrofit, it is absolutely essential. If we want to make an impression on climate change, we have to have retrofit. So yes, do retrofit, be one of the pioneers, save the planet.
You can visit homes like these at green open home events held regularly around the UK. For more information on how Carbon Co-op can help you improve your home and reduce your emissions, visit our website.